Assalamu alaikum. We're in Yemen. Yemen is going through a catastrophe right now. If you knew what we've seen on the ground here in Yemen, you would find it difficult to believe. Personally, these two eyes have met with women who have had their husbands killed and who have ill children living in donkey sheds. I have personally met families who have to cook leaves from trees to feed their children, to keep them quiet from crying from the hunger pains. We're in a very deprived area, as you can see now. Human Relief Foundation is here on the ground. Yemen is on the brink of famine. They do not have food. The sun is about to go down in this community. We're going to be breaking our fast with them tonight, about 350 people. And we're delivering over 180 food packs to these people. We've had to drive through valleys and through rivers and through jungles to get to these people. The situation here is very, very dire. The people are in a huge need and they're waiting for you, their brothers and their sisters. Who is going to help the people of Yemen? Human Relief Foundation is on the ground. Make sure you're supporting our work. You can see here we have a truck full of support which we brought to these people. 64.5% of people in Yemen, in this country right now, do not know where their next meal is coming from. Alhamdulillah, these people do know because of your kind support. But there are millions of people in this country who need more, and they are crying when the sun goes down and they don't have dates to break their fast. They don't have clean water. They don't have any food. Who are they waiting for? We are living lives of luxury. We shouldn't feel guilty. We should feel grateful. But we have to do something to help the situation in Yemen. These people are in need, brothers and sisters. Your brothers and sisters in Yemen need you. We're on the ground delivering the aid to the people who need it. Support the work, what we're doing. And one last request. Share this video, because it's not our policy to spend thousands of pounds on advertising and marketing and sponsoring this video in social media. We rely on you because we want the money to go to the food for the people who need it the most. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
नाजरीन, ये वही यमनी हैं जो पहाड़ों में ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं और जिनका लिबास वही कदीमी लिबास है और जिनके पास कोई टेक्नोलॉजी के वसाइल भी मौजूद नहीं हैं। इनके पास अगर कोई चीज़ मौजूद है तो वो है अल्लाह की मदद। और इसका मुशाहिदा आप जंग से कर सकते हैं कि कई साल हो गए हैं आले सऊद ने यमन पे हमला किया हुआ है, इसके बावजूद ये लोग इस्तकामत का मुज़ाहिरा किए हुए हैं। जैसा कि आपने अभी इंटरव्यू में मुलाहिज़ा किया कि इतनी जुल्म और सितम के बावजूद, इतने मज़ालिम के बावजूद इनकी ज़ुबानों पर कोई शिकवा मौजूद नहीं है। इन सख्त हालात के बावजूद ये लोग अल्लाह के शुक्रगुज़ार हैं। अगर किसी और कौम पर इतनी मुश्किलात आई होती तो यकीनन वो लोग इन मुश्किलात को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। मगर सलाम है यमनियों की इस्तकामत को कि अल्लाह की मदद से अभी तक वो साबित कदम हैं, और ये सब साबित कदमी अल्लाह की मदद के बग़ैर मुमकिन नहीं है। और ये साबित कदमी और इस्तकामत इस बात का सबूत है कि अल्लाह इनके साथ है, और जिनके साथ अल्लाह की मदद हो उनको कोई शिकस्त नहीं दे सकता।